Notion or OneNote, two of the most popular note-taking apps out there. Which one is actually better for you? Which one makes your work easier, faster, and more organized? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simple for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the description for the special offers. Now first, let's talk about who are these tools for. Starting with Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's not just notes. You can build database, project boards, wikis, and even manage teams. So if you like customizing your own system, Notion is amazing. Now let's talk about the OneNote. This is more like a digital notebook. It feels just like a physical notebook where you can write, type, or draw anything on the page. If you just want simple, free-flow note-taking with a pen or keyboard, OneNote is built for that. So yeah, Notion is for people who want to build and customize, and OneNote is for people who want a notebook just that works in an app. Now let's talk about the interface. Notion has a very clean and modern look. You can add blocks, templates, or organize everything into pages or subpages. It can a little overwhelming at first, but once you get it, it feels powerful. Other side, OneNote looks more classic notebook. You have section and pages, and it's super easy to just jot things down. And the design is not as modern, but it's very simple to use. So the verdict is Notion is for flexibility and OneNote is for simplicity. Now let's talk about the features. Notion gives you database, task listing, calendar, templates, and even the AI features for summarize or writing help. And other side, we have OneNote, which give you unlimited notebooks, drawing tools, handwriting support, and easy syncing across devices. So the verdict is Notion is stronger for organization and the project. OneNote is stronger for free writing and drawing. Now let's talk about the pricing. Notion has a free plan and paid plan start at around $10 per month for extra features. Other side, OneNote is totally free, and if you already have the Microsoft 365, it comes built with it. So Notion is best if you want an all-in-one productivity system, and OneNote is best if you want a simple free notebook for notes and sketches. So if you love the customizing and want everything in one place, go with Notion. And if you want an easy notebook without extra feature, then OneNote is the perfect for you. So this was the video for today. Hope you understand now. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.